been extremely important for the global economy for the last 40 years, and it is even more so today when China is a very big economy. So decisions which are made at the two sessions will be very important. They will have an impact not just in China itself, but outside of China. So how China moves forward will be extremely important. In terms of its industrial sectors, I think that it's very important to continue the opening of manufacturing, which has already been happening, but also looking at some of the high-tech sectors to reinforce some of the movements which we've seen in sectors like the automobile industry, there's already been decisions which have been made about that. So these are very much key sectors in the manufacturing area, but also very much in the services sector, in sectors like finance, insurance.